Oh my God, that was a little bit of a climb out of there.
How you doing, honey?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah.
So incredibly worth it. Place continues to blow our mind. It certainly packs a lot of punch for this little tiny island in the middle of the South Pacific.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. This is so wild. Oh my God. This is freaking wild.
This is nuts.
Oh, you are not gonna believe this for it. Check that out.
Hello and welcome to our sailing channel. I am Warren.
And I am Erica. And together, we are WESail. For the last 5 years, we have called the open sea our home, living full-time on our 44-foot catamaran.
From our humble beginnings, we've embarked on a journey of a lifetime, sailing over 25,000 nautical miles.
Now navigating the remotest islands of the South Pacific, we've embraced the challenges, the beauty, and the serenity of life at sea. Welcome to WESail.
Morning, everybody. It's a beautiful day. We're off to, I don't know how many days of adventuring we've been doing, but I do know that we've had the car 2 days now.
All right, on to the next spot.
On to the next one.
Where are we to next?
Well,
And cooking breakfast so that we're well fed. And yesterday we stopped by and got the grocery store and got some minimal stuff, but one of which were green peppers. We got a couple green peppers, a couple red peppers.
And eggs.
And eggs.
We haven't had eggs in a while.
And I just thought it was funny that I'm chopping everything, chop, and I just think to myself, I am so thankful for this green pepper. I'm so thankful for this green pepper. And then I caught myself, and I just thought it was funny that never said that to myself, ever before. And I don't know. It's funny how things change, when we don't get something for so long.
Yeah, fresh produce is hard.
Yeah, it is. And it's just a lot of little things that you didn't see that. I don't know. It's just funny. We're grateful for things we don't get, and things change.
It changes.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks really good, babe.
Yeah. Okay. Munch.
We got a big day ahead of us, babe.
Another big day.
More adventures.
Fun-filled day of adventuring.
Yeah.
Oh boy, that's a good one.
What gifts?
All right, where to first?
Well, I don't really know, actually. We kind of covered the north part of the island yesterday. And so today we want to kind of check out the south side or even the windward side of the island.
Yeah.
There's just so many nooks and crannies and
Different places to see.
all over this island, especially near the
stop
coast.
here? Stop here?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's the windshield wipers every time.
Every time, honey. Nicely done.
Yeah.
Got it.
Togo Chasm.
No blinker, wiper?
No, I think we're good out here.
This looks pretty cool.
Really?
Oh, wow, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, man, okay. Something that's kind of weird, kind of funny, I guess, is that my feet are super sore from the sandals yesterday. The ground is pretty rough here, so I opted to hike in sandals, which I normally don't do. I think you probably all know. And my feet are kind of all tore up, the top sides this time.
Rubbing on them?
Just rubbing on the straps from the sandals. I just don't have that much time in sandals anymore.
So now I'm gonna hike without them for as long as I can today. The ground is rough though.
Yeah.
So volcanic.
It's limestone coral.
Wow. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work very long. Shoot. I saw that. This is why it's really difficult to walk on this island, because all of the rocks, all of everything underfoot, for the most part, is like this. Very
Sharp.
very sharp, very pointy.
Wow. Yeah. That's pretty neat. The main tree is right behind all of the vines, yeah? Wow. Too cool. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Warren so badly wants to get a shot of this spider web glistening in the sun. He's like walking back and he's getting covered in the webs and he hates spiders.
You need them. Ooh.
Okay,
Give it
keep
up.
Looking.
Give it up.
Well, I give up.
You want to walk
On
first?
that one.
Do you want me to walk
No,
first?
no, you walk first. You go right ahead, darling.
All right.
Clear the way for me, please.
Clearing spider webs.
Thank you.
Clear.
That one is insane. That's a big dude. That guy freaks me out. You get a good one?
Oh man, that just like.
Oh, another one? At least for the first ones here today. That's for sure.
Yeah. Oh god.
These have changed a bit here.
Yeah. This is insane. Look at this.
Whoa. Whoa.
Right? Dang.
Part of the jungle, just all of a sudden.
Yeah. Woo. Oh my god, it's just so beautiful.
It really is stunning. So unique.
Oh. Oh, babe, I can see the ocean. You gotta get over here. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh my god. Wow. Look at this.
Oh,
Yeah.
this coast.
Yeah.
All right, let's get down there.
Oh boy. Careful. This is a tricky path here.
And I did not really expect this.
No, I had no idea. Another surprise.
Yeah. This is crazy.
Being a while.
This is nuts.
Oh, you kidding?
Okay, let's go.
Oh,
Whoa, that was a big one.
yes.
That was a real big one.
You
Oh
were
my God.
not gonna believe this for it. Check this out.
Oh my gosh.
Going down.
Go down.
I feel like I'm in the labyrinth.
Is that the way to the castle?
Go this way. Gone straight for the castle.
Wow. This is like this is unimaginable. It's such
It
a
really
playground.
is. It's
Such a playground,
so
man.
incredibly
I feel
cool.
like a kid right now, just
Yes.
getting to explore the coolest things.
Right?
This place is so unsuspecting.
Completely.
Underrated.
Look at that.
Huge ladder going down. Oh my gosh. Honey, you might crap yourself over the escalator situation. You're just gonna have to come see it. Erica's tough, but heights are not necessarily her thing.
What do you mean
So-
heights are not my thing?
No, you good with heights?
Oh, heights.
Heights. What did you think I said?
Hikes.
Hikes. No, she loves hikes. She does not like heights.
Okay, let's see.
So I want to see her reaction.
Oh, jeez, yeah. Stop it.
You gonna be all right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why did that fuck? This is insane.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's probably smart.
Jeez, I just got the whiny-jeebies.
You did? You got the willies?
This trail is probably rated the best one in Niue, and you can see for yourself
fine.
exactly why. The wild and rough coast of the windward side of the island has created some of the most incredible terrain, and it's actually quite hard to even imagine how they even begun to make such a pathway.
How you doing, honey?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah.
But as we descended down the ladder, we ended up in the most secluded beach on the entire island.
Somewhere in between.
Look at this spider web, honey. You're gonna lose your shit.
What's in there?
Oh, another cave. So,
No? You think that's as far as we can go?
I mean, I can hear the ocean pretty big, and there's like, what if a wave came in?
Yeah, that would be bad. Well, the sand is dry, so that's a good sign.
Oh, God.
One step at a time. Uh-huh.
Holy shit.
Right.
I don't know, honey.
Sounds bad.
Do you hear that?
Yeah.
Like the breeze is just going.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Vince, let's go see for sure. Let's go find out.
they just had words.
There it is.
Oh, my heart. This is why you come at low tide.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Wow.
If there were ever a place that felt like stepping into a childhood fantasy land, it would be Niue. Imagine endless paths winding through lush greenery, leading to secret hideaways where you could escape and pretend to be a lost boy or girl from Peter Pan. Wandering through this island felt like being on a set of a fantasy movie, with every corner revealing a new secret entrance to another realm. Niue is a true escape, a world so different from what we've known. It definitely transported us back to our youth, filling us with pure excitement and wonder. We felt like real kids again, exploring an island covered with magical spots just waiting to be discovered. Every moment here reminded us of the joy and adventure, and we couldn't help but lose ourselves in this captivating paradise.
Awesome. We made it. Can I have the keys?
I don't have them.
Serious?
I don't.
there was just one more spot that we heard is a pretty special place here. But first... lunch is ready.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
Look at this. Salad.
Oh my gosh.
I know. Salad.
Pizza!
Lunch and a view. Lunch, and we just need a little dip in the water. So in Niue, they have these sea tracks, or basically trails that go down to the ocean by the reef. And
There's so many of them.
There's so many of them, and so you never really know what you're gonna get until you actually walk down in there. Check this out. It's amazing in here. This is so cool. You know how I mentioned earlier that this place felt like we were in a fantasy world? Well, I couldn't shake the feeling that we were on the set of a movie, one of my all-time favorites as a kid, The Labyrinth, with David Bowie and Jennifer Connelly. You remember that scene where she's just starting to make her way around the labyrinth and is running down a long stone-walled path with no twists and turns, and she can't seem to find her way to the center? And then has a conversation with the worm on the wall?
Of course there is. You try walking through it. You'll see what I mean.
What?
Go on then.
That's just wall. There's no way through.
Things are not always what they seem in this place. So you can't take anything for granted.
Well, not only did that movie deeply impact me, but that pretty much sums up Niue. Over the last couple of days driving around here, it was hard to imagine at first all the hidden wonders that just lay off the main road. You wouldn't know places like this exist unless you take a moment to stop and explore and see what's around the next bend. Each twist and turn revealed another stunning and magical spot. Transforming our journey into an adventure straight out of a dream. Our stop in Niue was a great reminder to always just look a little deeper, because the real treasures are often found when you wander off the main road. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Niue. We hope you enjoyed exploring this magical island with us. And be sure to join us again next Wednesday, where we dive beneath the surface and discover what Niue has to offer in the upside down world. Until then, keep dreaming and exploring, everyone. See you next time.